everybody, and welcome to my brand new series. For this one, I will be starting a stock market investing slash day trading series where I kind of do my best to give you my knowledge and my insight of the stock market and hopefully give you guys value on, you know, on stocks that are in play or not in play, and hopefully you guys can learn something from this and I could share some value with you all. So here, as you can see, my total portfolio is at $25,110. I'm currently up almost about $410, $93 today, and $328 in the aftermarket trading. This is mainly due to the earnings. Well, it wasn't an earnings winner, but the valuation of the stock just rose for Tesla here, as you can see. I bought in at 426, 4216, today's return. Made about $400 just from investing in this stock. So that was huge. Apple also had a large increase as well in the markets, as we can see here on my watch list. Oh wow, Apple rose by 5% within the day, which is insane, and that should be definitely stock that is in play and should be on everyone's watch list at the moment. And you know, for my investing series, I will be covering just the blue chip stocks, the main big companies where there may be big changes at times, but most of the times not really. So this will conclude my first video of the series. I hope you all enjoyed this one and it brought you some value. If you have any comments, opinions, things you want to say, please leave them in the comments section below. And make sure to also like and subscribe to see more content like this. I will be very transparent about my trades and when I win and when I lose, and I will try to upload videos daily, and I would appreciate if you all could help me out with this journey. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next one.